The LEAP Manifesto is a spectacularly bad document that espouses heavy socialism and social engineering, and the federal NDP have just adopted it as a high-level statement of values. It's a document that is explicitly anti-fossil fuel, anti-development, and anti-Alberta. I mean, just look at this from the document. The new iron law of energy development must be, if you wouldn't want it in your backyard, then it doesn't belong in anyone's backyard. That applies equally to oil and gas pipelines, fracking in New Brunswick, Quebec, and British Columbia, increased tanker traffic off our coasts, and to Canadian-owned mining projects the world over. Okay, so the LEAP Manifesto is a document that stands to put an end to just about every major industry in Canada, and the NDP just voted for it as a statement of their principles. Well, for sure, the trades unions must be outraged, right? I mean, this document stands to put thousands of welders, pipe fitters, pipeliners, equipment operators, coal miners, plant workers, carpenters, rig hands, truckers, and teamsters out of work. And we know unions always stand up for the little blue-collar guy, right? Wrong. How do I know the union brass don't give a rip about the workers and the unions they represent? Well, let's look at how many of the private sector unions and labor organizations have signed on to the LEAP Manifesto. There's the Saskatchewan Federation of Labor. They signed without a second thought to screwing over the unemployed Saskatchewan pipeliners. The Toronto York Region Labor Council signed on to the manifesto. So did the National Farmers Union. Then there's the United Steelworkers Toronto Area Council. Just no one tell the Steelworkers Union about how steel is made. You need coal and mining. Vancouver District Labor Council signed it. Oh, and so did Sid Ryan, formerly the Ontario Federation of Labor president. He signed the LEAP Manifesto because I guess he couldn't give a damn about all those Ontario auto workers that will be unemployed when those leapers make everyone stop using cars. These union brass just signed a document that will put everyone they represent out of a job. I wonder how many union members would choose to join a union that is supporting LEAP if we gave them the choice. I bet not many. For the Rebel.media, I'm Sheila Gunn Reid.
Thanks for watching. Click here to never miss a Rebel update. Want even more of the Rebel? Well, click here to become a premium member.